So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. If you are an UI UX designer or just someone who loves creating mockups using Figma or other tools, you are at the right place. So today in this video we will show you some of the best mockup plugins and tools that you can use to create your mockups. But before that, I want you guys to subscribe me and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see those websites and I will give you a detailed explanation how to create those. So let's check this. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now, and first of all we will see Clay Mockups 3D. Suppose we have this design and I want to mock up it. The first plugin that I'm gonna use is, I will go over here in the action section. I will go to plugins and widgets and I will search for Clay Mockups and Mockups 3D. I will click on it. After clicking on it, I will select this frame again. You can see I got this one. Now you can select your angle, you can select your device over here. You can rotate the device like this from here. Camera rotation the way you want. You can change the color from here, whatever the color you want to give, and you can just click over here, save as image, and you will get your mockup over here. You can just export it. The second is Rotato. We will go to plugins and widgets section again, and here we will go to 3D iPhone and device mockups. It's from the Rotato itself. I will click on it. And it will ask you to sign in and take you to the Rotato page in the web browser. You need to sign in from there. And once you're over here, suppose I have this product detail page. I want something this animation. So I will click on it. I will select the frame and click on import frame. Now you can see I got this. Perfect. You can change the color from here. Change the device size from here, like whatever your screen resolution is. And next we will click over here. I will click on export MP4. And now I want to download it. I will click over here. So next comes 3D transformer. So here it's also a Figma plugin. We will click over here and go to plugin widgets section again, and we will search for 3D transformer. We click on it. By selecting the frame, if you just say a frame is not selected, you will get to run it again. And now as the frame is selected already, I will get something like this. I can tweak it from like this here. If I click on insert layer, see, I got something like this, the way I want. So number 4 is Figma Community. So for that, you can just go over here in the home section and go click over here, and here you can search for mockups. From here just select free, and you can just check the one you love it and you can just use it directly. Now the fifth, we come to the web based, that is Hotpot.ai. Hotpot.ai, we will click on it. And from this website, if I want something related to iOS, I click on it. I want to click or generate this one. I will click on it. I click on edit. Now I want an image over here. I can just click on this one. I will click over here and see, I got this one. You can change the text from here, whatever you want, and you can just download it. You have many settings. You can just change it from here, like frames you want, so different types of frames. So you can just tweak it, and then you just need to click on it, download. Once it's generated, just click on download. So number 6 is things.morflax.com. It will come into something like this. Click on get started, it's free. From here select device mockup. Yes, I want device mockup. I want something like this. I will click on it. From here I can just upload my design. Save it. And see, you will get something like this. Now you can just copy the clipboard, go to Figma, and it will come something like this. But one thing is that it will have a watermark and you can just remove it. So number 7 comes the Canva Mockup. Let's search Canva Mockups and click on it. You will get a great list of mockups to use from. Like I want to create on this one, you click on it, and it's free. Select. I want to upload something from this one, and you can see this mockup got generated. You can just click on save image, and you can just download it. And the final one is Previewed.app. Just click on it, click on browse templates, and from here select 2D, because for 3D we need the paid version. Now suppose I want this one, I will just click on it, click on edit template, I will select this one, and from here I will select choose file, and I will just add the image. We select our content and use the image. See, I got something like this. Now you click over here and you can download for free. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do subscribe and share these amazing tools with your friends who want to create amazing stuffs. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.